You open a combination lock like this.
You go right, left, left, right.
Step 1.
Go past 0 3 times, and then you
spin the locker.
Then you're gonna go to the left past the second number 1.
Maybe 2 to the right.
Pop the lock.
We had lockers,
Combination locks
but there were no locks on them.
should be outlawed.
Open. First try. It didn't go that well for me in 6th grade, though.
So the first number, you pass it. So, okay.
You would do it just like you teach.
You put the
Demonstrate, I do.
biggest triangle on the 0.
Well, you turn to the right to clear it,
Then you turn it left past the second number.
and then stop on the third, or am I mixing up the second and first?
2 to the left.
It's left, then right, then...
I've never opened a combination lock.
left, then past 0, right, and then back left.
Go get to it again.
Go to the right and
I think you hear a click.
The locker combinations?
it's very confusing.
Turn to the...
I don't even know if combination locks were invented when I was in school.
All right, so you go right.
I promise you that's right.
It's like riding a bicycle.
I had to open many of these locks.
Calm down. We always start the kids to go right first.
Yes, oh my gosh.
You have to turn it like 5 times.
Don't give up.